Back for a quick sip of Pinot Grigio. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And we are doing a quick sip of a 2020 Attems Pinot Grigio from the Friuli region in Italy. This producer has a pretty decorated history, or pretty long history in the region. We're going to taste their Pinot Grigio right now. Full disclosure, I may have tasted a little bit and used it in cooking yesterday, but let's see what it brings. So there's definitely some citrus on the nose. We get some apples. There's a little floral note too. So apples, call it lemon, and flowers. So this wine's pretty easy to drink. The palate is nice. It's heavier on the palate than I would have thought. There's it's a little bit perfumey. The lemon is bitter though, so there is definitely a bitter note to this wine. That being said, I like it. And I think if you matched it up with some sweeter food, like maybe a pad thai, for instance, it'd be pretty good. It'd be a pretty good match. Good stuff from Attems in the Friuli region. See you next time, folks. Cheers.